Hello, Psych 112 class. This is Brandy Lloyd. So this week we're focusing on our career plans, and I am trying to be a human resource manager. So this is kind of my PowerPoint on that. The job description of a human resource manager. This description I found it says human resources specialists are responsible for recruiting, screening, interviewing, and placing workers. They also handle employee relations, payroll, benefits, and training. Human resource managers plan, direct, and coordinate the administrative functions of an organization. So, of course, that's like the overview of what human resources does. There are specific duties in human resources, and I listed that below. It says ensures planning, monitoring, and appraisal of employee work results by training managers to coach and discipline employees, scheduling management conferences with employees, hearing and resolving employee grievances, counseling employees and supervisors. So it has a lot to do with basically human relations in general, but pertaining to the workplace, basically. The required education for this, there's really nothing set for human resources. However, there are strongly encouraged things you can do. The minimum you can do is just get a bachelor's degree, so I underlined that first thing. And then right after that, it's really highly recommended to get a master's degree in the related field. So this could be something like human resources or business analytics or something of the sort. On top of that, they also recommend you getting certain certifications for human resources. And this is not mandatory, once again, it just helps you a lot and it builds credibility. In relation to my 4-year plan, I obviously plan on graduating with my bachelor's degree in industrial organizational psychology. I will also be pursuing a master's degree for human resources. And then throughout that process, I'll just be looking for jobs and other opportunities and experiences to build my credentials for my human resources career. This is a personal picture of me. Hi, I'm Brandy. That's all for that. And the last part is, why am I majoring in psychology? I'm majoring in psychology for a lot of reasons. One, I've always been really fascinated with the complexities of humans and just the whys behind their behavior. I also know that psychology has a lot to do with human resources and human relations and all of those things. I also have always loved the idea of learning things to help myself and help others around me and just improve the overall quality of life. Now, comparing that to chapter 13, I actually found a lot of comparisons. Besides the list where it compares it to specific jobs that you're preparing for, I related with pretty much all of the rest of them. So, for instance, like the top reason is I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, and that was actually my first interest as well. And then the other two that kind of stood out to me, if I'm summarizing, is that this will help me prepare for my future career. But it also kind of helps me figure myself and others out and just helps a lot. And then in this last slide, I just had a few sources of where I got some of the definitions and everything. But other than that, that is it. Thank you.